What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some more mods of the Jeep. It seems like it never ends. It's another scorching hot day here in Iowa. It's like 95 degrees. I'm freaking sweating already, so drop a like for that. So I've already gotten some LED taillights for my Jeep. These ones that I have on now are from X-Brite. They're just like the blacked out LED taillights. So a company called American Off-Road wanted me to try out their new JL conversion taillights. This is what they look like. So they have a little conversion bracket that goes on the back that's like the same as the JK light, and then this will just snap right onto it. And then you put the two screws here on the side. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put these in, and I'll be doing a overview and a review of them. So to begin with, I'm just going to need to take off my old taillights. This is done by removing these two screws on the inner side of the Jeep. Okay, and you're going to push into the Jeep with the taillight, and it just should pop right out. Next I'm going to unplug the wiring harness. So as you can see with these LED taillights, you're going to have a resistor that you're going to have to mount in here. It's the same thing with the new ones, so I'm just going to clip these out and replace it with the new one. So the mounting plate is going to go in here like this. And there's some sticky strips here on this side, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this all down and get it all dry. So now I'm going to make sure that it's going to fit in there correctly. Looks like everything's lined up, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the sticky strips off. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm gonna anyways. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to get my screws started back in. You don't want to over tighten these, otherwise you'll crack the plastic. You just go ahead and reuse your factory screws. Okay, now I'm gonna get the tail light up here, plug it in, then I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie my resistor in. Now that I got the resistor in there, I can just pop this right in. Oops, upside down. Okay, and then on this side there's two screws that I need to put in. It's kind of tight over there, but I think I should be able to make it work. Alright, and that's it. So that was pretty simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. So that's it for this video. Super easy install. I think they look great. The only thing about them is they do stick out quite a bit further than the JK taillights, but that's kind of to be expected because the JL taillight is a lot bigger. They seem super bright. I mean, I'm mid-daylight and they're plenty of bright through the smoked lens on them. I don't think you're gonna get pulled over with them. If they're off, maybe because the lens is tinted, but I wouldn't worry about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a like if you learned something. I'll leave a link to these lights down in the description. We'll see you next time. Peace.